everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we enter our projects into hashtag Satmore Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. And then this week's theme is Postage. Next week's theme is Easter. So make sure you use our hashtags and enter into our collabs. So for my postage, I am using this Queen of Craft square die, and I'm using the one that fits on a 3x3 card. I don't know which one. I think it's this one. But anyways, that's what I'm using. And then from Cottage Cuts, I'm using the double stitch square set, and I'm using the one that layers into the 3x3 card. And then this is almost the star of the show besides those postage stamps. I am using the Whimsy Stamps, what is the name of this? Sketchy Florals. And so that's what I'm using, and I use predominantly this here and then the sentiments as well. So great use of this, and I'm so glad I got it. And it was a good price. I want to say it was like $1 or something like that. And here are my postage 3x3 cards. I want to say Lady Cree may have done something like this with a pop of color. I'm not definite, so don't quote me on that. But I'm kind of thinking that's where I got the idea from. So I think it was Lady Cree. But anyways, I love how these turned out. Let me just show you that a little bit more close. And of course I use what do you call these? Not those, but these. Copic. I use a bunch of Copic colors, well 3 anyways, just to add a pop of color on there. And then I also added some little gems, and then that's where you'll see this Cottage Cuts die, and then the Queen of Craft die there. And then in the inside I did use just, I did use every part of that stamp set. Actually, I used that too. I forgot about that. I finished off the inside. Look at me. So anyways, I finished off the inside too. So I really like how that turned out. And then here goes this one here, yellow. I love that. And then I use those little diamonds on there, or little gems. And then there goes the inside of that one. And then this one, Thinking of You. Same thing, where I just had a pop of color and then the little gems on there, and then there goes that one. But I really like those. That was so simple to make, and I didn't spend much time on those at all. Got them knocked out so easy. I'm really really liking working with 3x3 cards, because you can knock those things out so quick and you're done. And so, but anyways, that's all I have for you. Make sure you use those hashtags and visit the ladies down below. And then if I didn't tell you, next week's theme is Easter. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.